All right, so before we can mount the unit for the Senville 9002 9000 BTU, we got to run the communication cable, which powers up the indoor unit. And the smaller heads is the one that's going through here. So you pretty much have to open up two Phillips to grab the wire bracket off. And then you got to take this cover off, and then pretty much three screws. Two short ones and one long one. And from there, they fit in here. But we don't know what color, right, Oscar? Number 1, 2, 3, no color, right?
1, 2, no, 3.
Huh? You know?
Yeah.
How you know? Let's go look at the book, Oscar. Where's the book? Uh-oh, the book in the car. You remember?
Yes.
100%?
Hmm?
In here?
Yeah. You don't remember?
No? Yeah, you know?
Mm-hmm.
No, go look at the book.
Hmm?
Okay, no book. And this is your filter that you need to clean later. All right, we're gonna end this video.